Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video I'll show you how to change default browser Windows 11 fast and easy. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click the Start button on Windows 11 or Windows 10 from the taskbar. This opens your main menu and system controls. Step 2. Click Settings from the Start menu. This is where you manage apps and system behavior. Step 3. Click Apps in Settings. It contains options for installed programs and defaults. Step 4. Click Default Apps. This section controls which app opens which file or link. Step 5. Scroll and click Google Chrome from the list. It shows supported web file types. Step 6. Click the current default app for .html, HTTP, and HTTPS. These decide which browser opens links. Step 7. Choose Google Chrome and click Set Default. Your browser change is now applied. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.